Jamaica, watch this.
I just come across something and I just feel like say I want to say something about it. I feel like social media applies in we as young females. I feel like social media really applies in we, especially when it comes on to relationship, love, a man showing you how he loves you. I feel like social media really applies in we because I feel like the media has us setting standards that are way too high, and you yourself know say just because you see somebody else on the media a post that, all of a sudden you put your standards all the way up there. So when you know your standards aren't even that high, like if a man go at the store and get you two bouquet of flowers and put them together and put one bow penny, that was good enough for you until you see one woman record a whole room full of roses, full of flowers. Now all of a sudden at that are nothing. Like what? One man can take it to dinner, ask you, oh, will you be my girlfriend? Pan a plate, dessert pan a plate, and all of a sudden you see somebody a post them get decorated room, Palm Beach side, would you be my girlfriend? Now all of a sudden your standards gonna beach side or decorating room. That are no. Like I feel like, oh my gosh, I feel like we guys uno just like get me not even gonna say we because certain things are just not for me. I mean I'm my own person. I just feel like uno just brainwash and just make the media just a program and I put these men through hell when you know say you yourself don't even want that because what you want? Something for post for the media? For please the media. I mean I understand like why keep